so when you first receive your DermiMatch kit, it's going to come in a box like this. And when you open up, you're going to find all this equipment inside, along with a booklet instructions on how to set it up and also some of the techniques to use. In the kit, we have the power supply, which you put the power cord in the back and flip it on. It'll be set to 11 volts by default. If not, you can adjust this knob and change it to 11 volts. And the pen plugs into the smaller portion here. And then to activate the pen, you plug in the foot pedal here. So you know it's working, you can hear it buzzing. It'll also come with 10 ink cups that you can put into these slots. You only need to use one of the slots when you're working with one of the pigments. You have all three pigments, C, M, and B. And you get a sample pack of SMP3 and SMP1 needles. There's 5 of each in this 10 pack. Go ahead and open it up. You can read right on the front here, this one says SMP3. The other ones will say SMP1 on them. To get started, you would use an SMP3 needle in this case. You just simply screw it in to the DermiMatch pen like so. And once it's tight, secure, you start it and you can see the needle coming out. The camera may not be capturing that. You can twist this to the right, this metal portion to the right, to make the needle stick out further. It's sticking out further now. You want to get it to about 2 millimeters sticking out. And then you fill one of your ink cups up. I'm going to use pigment M here. Untwist the top. Underneath like so. And so now with ink in the ink cup, you go ahead and dip it in here while your foot is on this pedal. So that soaks up some of the pigment. You see it there. Pigment sits in the plastic reservoir there.